In this video, we'll guide you through setting up and formatting your accoMASTERDATA visual in Power BI. This will allow you to insert, update, and delete rows directly in your dimension table in a split second. You can download accoMASTERDATA directly in Power BI Desktop, Edit Mode in Power BI Service, or through the Microsoft App Source. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install it through the desktop version. To get started, you will need to have Power BI Desktop installed. Once you have the application open the app source in the Visualizations pane by clicking on the three dots and get more visuals. In the search field, write accoMASTERDATA and click Add to your visuals overview. Once added, it will appear in your visuals on the right side of your screen. Now click on the logo and a visual will appear. To configure your visual, select Format Your Visual button in the Visualizations pane on the right of the Power BI window. Then open the banner called Connection. Here, you will be able to set up the connections, which will create the connection between your Power BI table and the table that you want to edit in your database. To fill in the license key field, follow the guide provided by the email sent to you after subscribing. Enter the server name under Database Server field with your SQL Server name. Next, you need to enter your username and password, which are your SQL Server credentials. After pasting in your username and password, enter the database name and write-back table. This is the table that you want to edit. Congratulations! accoMASTERDATA is now set up and you are ready to model your table for your specific needs. Follow along the next video to set up your visual and dive deeper into the accoMASTERDATA universe. Thanks for tuning in.